Today we have a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL. It's got the 2.5. It has a check engine light on, and when we scanned it, it had a P0443 code, which happens to be your purge valve. We're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. This is your Ford 2.5 motor. They're actually pretty good. They're also in Mercury's. Your purge valve happens to be right here in front, which is kind of nice. If you had a normal gas cap, this has got an easy fill gas cap, which I'll show you what that is real quick. But it's usually with a P0443, you check the gas cap first. But since it doesn't have that, it's got the easy fuel system. Next thing would be is to check your purge valve. Like I said, most cars have a gas cap, but this has got the easy fuel system. So you bypass that and go right to your purge valve. First thing we do, we got to take this off here. See these two little tabs right there? You got to push those in on both sides. Get that like that, and see when it moves back like this, get a small screwdriver, push that back right there, like that. That should release it, just like that. Okay, put that off to the side. Next thing, we go right here and push that in, wiggle a little, pop off. We got this off. You're gonna check these wires for any bare spots, any corrosion, and I don't see anything like that. So we're assuming that it has to be the purge valve then. What we're gonna do is take these two 8mm off right there. There's one, break that loose. Break that loose. That one, there's that one. The nice thing about this, it should just pull gently straight out of there. Just a little rubber seal holding it. Just like that. There we go. Once you got the new one, you just make sure it's the same thing. You got to make sure that it has this O-ring in place, otherwise it won't seal properly. And you just put it in there nice and gently, push it in, like that. Now we're going to start our screws. That one. Okay, I got both of them started. Try to pull it down kind of evenly. Okay, stop there. Stop there. Just snug it up. That one's tight. All this is a little 8mm 1/4-inch drive, so not gonna put a lot of pressure on it. All right, now we grab our wire, plug this in next. Listen for it to click like that. Take this right here, push her down on there, and put the lock in place, just like that. That's all it takes to do a purge valve on a 2010 Ford Fusion with a 2.5.